Good morning, everyone. It's Friday morning. Let's go ahead and take our Wordly Wise, Book 3, Lesson 3 test. First, let's just review the rules. Put your name and your number on your paper. Listen to the word as I say it. Pause the video and write the word on your paper. Press play for the next word. When you're finished, write 4 interesting sentences on the back of your Wordly Wise test paper. Let's begin. Number 1, ambition. Ambition is a strong wish to be really good at something. Ambition. Number 2, auction. An auction is a sale. It's a public sale. Each item is sold to the person who offers the most money. Auction. Number 3, coast. Coast has several meanings. The coast can be the land beside the sea, or it can also mean to move without power or effort, like you're coasting on a bicycle. Coast. Number 4, current. A flow of air or electricity. Current. Current can also mean of the present time. For instance, I'm your current teacher. Number 5, frail. Frail means to be weak, not very strong. We usually feel frail when we don't feel well. Frail. Number 6, intelligent. It means able to learn, think, and understand something really quickly and easily. Intelligent. Number 7, novel. A novel has 2 meanings. One, it can be a long story about people and events that are imagined by the author. We've read several novels. It can also mean something that is new and different. Number 8, resident. Resident, a person who lives in a certain place. Resident. Number 9, starve. Starve means to be very hungry or to suffer because of not eating any food. Starve. Number 10, volunteer. Volunteer again has 2 meanings. It could be a person who offers to do a job, usually without pay. It could also be a verb when you choose to do something or to give help to somebody. You might volunteer to help pick up the classroom. Volunteer. Number 11. This word means land beside the sea. After we reached the blank, we walked a long way on the beach. After we reached the blank, we walked a long way on the beach. Number 12. This word means to be able to learn and think and understand something quickly and easily. In our science book, we are reading some stories that show how blank dolphins can be. In our science book, we are reading some stories that show how blank dolphins can be. Number 13. This word means to have a strong wish to be good at something. We wondered what Ron Roy's blank would be after writing so many novels. You may have a blank to learn multiplication facts. Again, a strong wish to be good at something. Number 14. This word means to be very hungry or to suffer because of not eating. The farmers want to bring hay to the animals trapped by the flood before they blank. Yesterday we were reading about the horses that were on the island. We had to remove some of the horses so that all of the horses would not blank. Number 15. This word means of the present time. You are my blank students. We are blanking a spelling test. We are blanking taking a spelling test. That one didn't go so well. Let's go back to you are my blank students of the present time. All right. Boys and girls, turn your paper over and write 4 interesting sentences. Have a great day.